I'm going to show you how to use Clipchamp. So on Clipchamp, I already set it up. The link to Clipchamp is going to be down in the description below. So there's this button called Create a Video. First of all, I think you might want to sign in. Choose the format for your project. If you're doing a YouTube video, 16:9 in the ratio is good. So like 16:9 is best because that's landscape. 9:16 would be alright, but only for like mobile videos. Yeah. I could always change it later, so it doesn't matter whatever I click on. If you see over here, that's where you can like change the ratio size. Portrait, square, social, cinematic, but this is what I choose. So I have this example down here. So I'm just gonna drag it there, and you can see it loads up already. I can fit it to the screen, the entire clip. So like, you can do loads of things like splitting, undoing, redoing, and yeah, same stuff. So I'm just gonna show you. If you want to do like make your own intro in this editing thing, then what you might want to do: background, solid color. You click on it if you want to change a different color and stuff like that. Do that. Right, let's go to stock. This is where you can search for your own footage of videos that Clipchamp has pre-recorded. You can also search for audio, so like music, loops, sound effects. So if you're gonna do like an intro, I'll say like audio from into music. Let's just have a listen to one of them. Yeah, this is good. Sounds good enough for what would be for an intro. So what I'll do is I go back, I go to media, so it's preparing, and now it should be ready. So I just drag it to the left, and just cut off the music. Now in my video you must have seen like loads of text appearing and stuff like that. So there's so many different options. You can do that, which will be like, you can have your own theme of it. Like if you want to do something like this, then that's absolutely fine. So go there, and I'll go X mod gamer X. Welcome to my video. So I did that. If you want to change the color, then you can. I'll make them both white. So you can see the transition is quite abrupt. It's like not that nice. So what I'll do, go to overlay, something like that. I've never really done one of them before. Let's see if it works. This is a test. It's still not that smooth. So you might want to fade out as part of a transition. There's a transition button right here. So this is good. There you go. You'll probably watch. I mean, it's quite laggy at first, but then it'll be alright once you. This is a test. I see the problem. So, when I was recording, I did it straight away. That's the problem again. So I could just fade into this thing. Also, I noticed that it might be like really loud for you guys. So just turn that audio down. So yeah. Probably watching me. So yeah. I've got an idea. I'm gonna add a piece of text here. So this is what it's gonna be. There you go. Clipchamp, because that's the name of the website we're using to edit. So yeah, gonna add. This text is a bit boring. So let's just change it around. If you want to fast forward stuff, then let me just split that. Split it there, and then I will delete that clip. Yeah. Oh, that's not what I was meant to do. Silly me. I was meant to speed it up. So it goes there. So I click on it, clip speed, I put it on fast. So there's like different options on how fast you want it to be. I'll go for 2 times quicker. Yeah, it might not add in the audio. You know what? This tutorial is getting too long, so yeah. Just delete that. I can put in my own outro. Just to bear in mind, some of the options you pick might have a little star on it. That's the premium. These are the premium features. So you have to like pay for subscription to have all these features. Like you can see the upgrade button over here. Let's see. It's $6 a month. That's like American. I'm sure they have like the British pound version. $13, $27. Yeah. Okay, so you can make your own outro if you want to, guys, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'm done with it. I'll export it. So write down in the comment section if you want any more tutorials, and if they what, because I'm genuinely running out of ideas. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Clipchamp is amazing. It's not sponsored or anything, no. I haven't even got around to advertising on my videos. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like down if you think that this video has been useful. And if you're new to the channel and you're just like a fellow viewer who just watched my video for the first time or just not did anything much, make sure you go down and subscribe to me and turn the notification bell on so you can see when I upload my video. Yeah, but I won't upload as much. I can see like 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 1 week, 3 days ago. So, yeah, so that's it. Hope you enjoy. And that's it. Bye.